You stumble through your days, got your head hung low, disguise a shade of gray.
Like a zombie in a maze, you're asleep inside, but you can't shake awake. Cause you're just a dead man walking, thinking that's your only option.
But you can flip the switch and brighten up your darkest day.
Sun is up and the colors blinding, take a world and redefine it.
Leave behind your narrow mind, you'll never be the same. Come alive, go and light your light, let it burn so bright.
Reaching up to the sky, and it's open wide, you're electrified.
The world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, and we're dreaming with our eyes wide open.
And you know you can't go back again to the world that we were living in, cause we're dreaming with your eyes wide open.
So come alive. I see it in your eyes. You believe that lie that you need to hide your face.
Afraid to step outside, so you lock the door. But don't you stay that way.
And we're living in the shadows. You and me, we know how that goes.
Cause once you'll see it all, you'll never, never be the same.
A little bit of lightning striking, hard enough to keep on shining. You can prove there's more to you. You cannot be afraid. Come alive.